In this exercise, we'll add. We have 3 times the square root of 128 plus 2 times the square root of 18 plus 2 times the square root of 32. Now, I can't add directly because I have different radicands in these 3 square roots. So I need to see if I can simplify them so that I have the same radicand in each. And I'm going to look for perfect square factors in 128 and in 18 and in 32. Let's start with 128. 128 is 64 times 2, and 64 is a perfect square. So I'm going to write 128 as this product. Now how about 18? 18 is 9 times 2, and 9 is a perfect square. So I can write this as 2 times the square root of 9 times 2. And 32 is 16 times 2, and 16 is a perfect square. So I'm going to write 16 times 2 under that radical sign. Now I'm going to actually simplify these perfect square roots. Here I'll have 3 times the square root of 64, which is 8, times the square root of 2. Here I have 2 times the square root of 9, which is 3, times the square root of 2. And here I have 2 times the square root of 16, which is 4, times the square root of 2. And now let's see what we have. 3 times 8 is 24, so I have 24 times the square root of 2. 2 times 3 is 6, so we have 6 times the square root of 2 here. And plus 2 times 4, or 8, times the square root of 2. And now that I have the same radicand in each of these radicals, I can combine the numbers in front of the radical symbols to finish the addition. So I would have 2 plus 6 plus 8 times the square root of 2, or excuse me, 24 plus 6 plus 8. 24 plus 6 is 30, and 30 plus 8 is 38. So the sum that we're looking for is 38 times the square root of 2.